The P06DD diagnostic trouble code indicates a critical issue with your vehicle's oil pressure control system. The engine control module has detected that the oil pressure control circuit is stuck in the off position, preventing the system from increasing oil pressure when needed. The oil pressure control system consists of three critical components. The oil pressure control solenoid regulates pressure from 10 to 80 psi based on ECM commands. The oil pressure sensor monitors actual pressure and provides feedback with a voltage range of 0.5 to 4.5 volts. The variable displacement oil pump adjusts oil flow based on engine demands, improving efficiency by 2 to 5%. The engine control module serves as the brain of the oil pressure system. It continuously monitors sensor feedback, commands solenoid operation, and detects circuit malfunctions. When the ECM determines the oil pressure control circuit is stuck in the off position, it sets the P06DD diagnostic trouble code. P06DD failures fall into three main categories. Electrical issues account for 45% of cases, including open or short circuits, corroded connectors, and failed ECM drivers. Mechanical failures represent 35%, involving stuck solenoids, oil pump wear, and contamination. Software and calibration issues make up the remaining 20%. Major manufacturers, including GM, Ford, and Chrysler, have released updated technical service bulletins addressing P06DD occurrences in recent model years. Modern diagnostic tools now enhance real-time oil pressure monitoring capabilities, significantly improving detection accuracy and repair success rates for this diagnostic trouble code. When diagnosing P06DD codes, understanding the failure distribution is crucial. Electrical issues account for 45% of cases, mechanical failures 35%, and software or calibration problems 20%. Industry experts note a common diagnostic mistake. 70% of technicians replace the oil pressure sensor first, but the actual cause is usually the control solenoid or wiring harness issues. General Motors issued Technical Service Bulletin 21-NA-081 for 2019 to 2022 GM 2.0-liter turbo engines. The solution involves replacing the oil pressure control solenoid and ECM reprogramming, achieving a 94% success rate. Ford EcoBoost 3.5-liter V6 engines from 2017 to 2021 experienced intermittent P06DD codes during cold weather operation. The root cause was oil viscosity changes, affecting solenoid response time. Preventive maintenance has significant impact on P06DD codes. Following manufacturer-recommended oil change intervals results in 45% lower code incidence, 60% longer solenoid life, and 23% better overall engine longevity. Professional diagnostic testing follows a systematic approach. Start with scanning for codes and freeze-frame data, test the oil pressure control solenoid, check wiring harness continuity, verify ECM operation, and update calibration if needed. This methodical approach achieves an 87% first-time fix rate.